6 miracle habits that I compile in a word named savers: silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and skipping. So, before we jump into this discussion, let me introduce myself, Dr. Insia Kulsawala, founder and fitness director at Fit Oshi, the fitness club, and founder of Iconic Networking Club, which is a forum for Bohra women entrepreneurs. So, before understanding the miracle habits, we should understand what is time management. Because if your time is not well managed, you won't be able to manage any habits. So, what is time management? You should understand the difference between urgent and important. We always confused ourselves with the task that is urgent with importance and the task which is important as an urgent. कई बार जो चीज़ हमें इम्पॉर्टेंट होती है उसको हम साइड पे रख देते हैं और जो चीज़ अर्जेंट करनी होती है वो हम कर देते हैं विच इज़ नॉट इवन इम्पॉर्टेंट, राइट? सो वी शुड अंडरस्टैंड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन अर्जेंट एंड इम्पॉर्टेंट. So how we will focus about the time management. So it's always about life management. If your life is not managed well, you won't be able to manage your time wisely. So life management includes your daily schedule. By daily schedule, I do not mean at all to make a planner or to-do list or any such things, because research says that 41% of people do not complete their to-do list that they had made for the next coming days. So why wasting time in to-do list? Just figure out what is important to you and get it done. So to understand it more proper and easy way, we'll divide this into some key points maybe. Yeah. So time is the most valuable, scariest and important resource that we use. Everyone have equal time, 1440 minutes a day we have all, right? Even Elon Musk have the same day, same hour. Even we have the same day, same hour. So it's up to us that how we are utilizing it. So to understand and the value of the time, you have to work from your calendar, not from your to-do list. By calendar, I mean, again, the important part of your work, which is you have to do it now. So by now, again, I mean the important one. To overcome your procrastination, defeat your future self, defeat your devil laziness or excuses. There is always something more to do all the time. Carry a notebook wherein you can write your important tasks, that you had learned something new, that you had heard something new, or there is always you want to try in your future self that makes you more productive, and it will remind you again and again that there is something left to do yet. Focus on your daily routines. Daily routines by I mean आप सुबह उठते कैसे हो, I mean कितने बजे हो, उठ के पहला काम क्या होता है. रिसर्च हैड सेड दैट अगर आपके उठने के फौरन 1-2 घंटे, लाइक मिनिमम 2 आवर्स अगर प्रोडक्टिव है, आपने अपने सेल्फ को दिए हैं, देन योर थ्रू आउट डे इज गोना वेरी मच एक्टिव एंड प्रोएक्टिव मे बी. सो द फर्स्ट थिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग while waking up in the morning is be with your own self. Meditate, work out, keep yourself healthy. That is the important part of your life that gonna help you throughout your day. If you are gaining your energy, your peace of mind, your soul is getting recharged, then it will create an impact. So also have a healthy eating habit. Earlier we talked about the lifestyle management, so these are the some key points that you should add on in your daily routine if you are not following it yet. Healthy eating by I mean eat your first meal as the king of your own world and eat your last meal as a beggar. By that I mean you should have a small portion of your meal at the dinner or supper time, and wide healthy nutrients portion of your meal in your breakfast. So that will again give you the nice impact throughout your first half of your day, because that is the most productive hours that you are going to do. So there is always something more to do. उससे मेरा मतलब होता है कि हर चीज़ होती है, ये भी हम कर लेते हैं, वो भी हम कर लेते हैं, which is again you know that you are distracting yourself from the important task that you have to perform. So give a break, ease yourself, and believe me, important point that every successful person on the earth take more breaks. If you're not taking break, if you're not giving your body a break, then it's quite uneasy with you and you'll end up doing nothing. So try to take breaks in your intervals. Also, the most powerful habit that you should maintain is multitasking. मल्टीटास्किंग से आई डो नॉट मीन कि आप 2 हाथ से लिखिए, एक साथ 5 जूम मीटिंग अटेंड कीजिए, या 2 टाइम का आप खाना साथ में साथ खा लीजिए टाइम सेव करने के लिए. नो, दैट इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू बी हैपन. मल्टीपल टास्किंग इज़ द थिंग दैट यू आर डूइंग स्टफ एंड मैनेज इट वाइसली. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आपकी मीटिंग है, keep your meetings as a last source that you are supposed to do, because every time meetings छोटी छोटी बातों पे करना है, वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम एज इन के दैट यू आर यू हैव टू स्केड्यूल मीटिंग, देन इट्स अ 2-way थिंग. आपको उनका टाइम मैनेज करना है, वो आपका टाइम मैनेज करेंगे. सो इट्स अ प्रोसेस, इट टेक्स टाइम. सो यू हैव टू डू इट इन अ वे दैट यू कैन मैनेज. इफ़ अगर वो चीज़ कॉल पे हो जाती है, मैसेज से हो जाती है, देन इट्स वेल एंड गुड. बेस्ट थिंग दीज डेज, राइट. टेक्नोलॉजी ने हमें बहुत सारे सोर्सेस ऐसे दे दिए हैं कि हम बैठे बैठे बहुत सारे काम जो आवर्स लग सकते थे उसमें, वो हम मिनट्स में कर देते हैं. सो यूज़ दैट टेक्नोलॉजी वाइजली. टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज़ ऑल अबाउट ग्रैबिंग द अपॉर्चुनिटीज़. किसी भी मौके को हाथ से ना जाने देना एक होता है स्मार्ट वर्क, बट हर एक मौके को अपना लेना वो होता है हार्ड वर्क. देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ लॉन्ग डिबेट अबाउट वर्किंग स्मार्टर और हार्डर. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू मी इट्स ऑलवेज गोज हैंड इन हैंड. आप बैठे बैठे सोचेंगे कि वो चीज़ मेरे पास आ जाए, वो नहीं होने वाला है कभी. आपको उठ के जाना तो पड़ेगा ही, बट अगर वही चीज़ आप किसी को बोलोगे कि वो चीज़ मुझे दे, तो दैट इज़ अ स्मार्ट वर्क. अगेन बैठे बैठे आपके पास आ गए. सो इट्स यू हाउ यू आर गोना डिसाइड अबाउट द स्मार्ट वर्क एंड हार्ड वर्क. सो एज आई सेड, देयर इज़ ऑलवेज अ लॉट टू डू एवरी टाइम. सो इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी टू डू इट एवरीथिंग एनी टाइम, राइट. Sometimes it's okay to say no. Saying no means it's your right to have a break, to not do the things that you are not supposed to do or you do not want to do, right. Your permission to yourself is more or the most important thing. You can't force yourself to do anything which is you are not comfortable in doing it. So it's okay to say no. By saying no and accepting failures are the greatest achievement, because failures are the best teachers ever. We had heard this statement a lot of time, but I have to repeat at this moment, because failures are the good teachers. So learn from it. What were your mistakes that had made you fail, and you should not repeat again. That's the wisest decision. Don't be rigid on yourself. Don't do the task that is not important to you, or it's gonna take time and bother your important task, right. So say a big no.